So my wife and I are here in Kapatian Beach, where we normally go for a little swim with the family. And over on our back over here is Talikod Island. So we're gonna take our beast, the motorbike here, and this beast, and this beautiful lady, and we're gonna go and explore Talikod. So we've never done this. So it's kind of cool. On our 24th anniversary. Date anniversary, we created a new thing since we're celebrating 24 years of dating, and we're dating every day. But anyway, we're gonna go to Talikod. So I'm a little scared because I gotta take my motorbike, this guy,
pretty heavy,
which is really heavy, across onto that boat. But they seem confident, the captain. So confident siya, so walay problema. All right. So now it's time to take the horse off the boat, get it onto the island so we could get going. There's a whole bunch of guys untying it. They know what they're doing. So anyway, this is a first. We're gonna take you with us on this first. And that's how you get a motorbike off this boat with these awesome gentlemen. Daghang salamat. So what we may do is take the boat back to Davao at 3. It's now 10 past 11. It's not even lunchtime yet. So we're gonna go off and explore. Let's do this. Literally on the beach in a place called Babu Santa in Talikod Island, and literally on the beach, as you can see. I'm not quite sure we were meant to come this way. We went down some pretty steep roads, but we're going to continue. So I'm going to give this to Rosie. Hopefully she can hold it out and you can see what we're doing, and I hope that it works out. I'm not quite sure if this Cafe 400 was made to go on the beach like so. We're over corals. We're literally on the sand. So let's see what can be done. Okay, so this may not seem like much, or it may seem too much for you when we have fresh buko juice, but we have worked for this. We've been riding around this island for 2 hours looking for this spot. Now we finally found it, and it is pretty nice. I know you saw us riding on the beach, which was pretty cool. I didn't know that that Cafe 400 was capable of roughing it up. Thank the Lord it wasn't high tide, because if it was high tide, then guess what? We would have been in the water. So it was perfect.
Yeah.
And so now we got fresh buko juice, ordered some food. Hopefully we'll get a chance to kind of have a dip in the sea, then get back on the motorbike, because there's the last boat back to Davao direct. So we don't have to go to Samao at 3 p.m. I'm dehydrated, need to drink some. Which way? Asang direction mas paspas sa Wharf? Yeah, the wharf. Mabalik we made it here in time to the wharf, but there's already 2 bikes on the boat. So this lovely lady here, she's trying to make space on the boat to put our bike on there so that we could go straight to Davao. Because otherwise, if we don't go straight to Davao, we'll have to go to Kaputian and then ride another 45 minutes, because that's in Samal, and then take the boat to Davao. But from here, we can go straight from Talikod to Davao. So I'm hoping they'll make space. I'm hoping. It's happening. We're getting on the boat. We're getting to Davao. There you go, Davao ferry boat. There's the motorbike. It's been parked. They very kindly put us here. God is very good. And we're heading back to Davao. Balik, balik. Guapo kayo. Look at this. There's our captain. Kumusta, Cap? Daghang salamat. Bless you, brother.
Yes.
Oh, this is nice. Anyway, my wife and I are heading back so we could pick up our kids from school. Perfect timing. God is always good. Back on Davao soil now. We've literally been on 3 islands if you count Davao, right?
Yep.
So we went from Davao, we went to Samal, and from Samal we went to Kaputian, which is the corner beach, on the hope that we could go to Talikod. And somebody said, yes, we can take your motorbike. So we said, well, why not? So we did. We went to Talikod, had a crazy adventure, which I know you've seen. And now we're back in Davao, having taken a boat directly from Talikod to Davao. It's only cost like 70 pesos per ticket. It's crazy. And then 50 pesos for your motorbike. Crazy thing is though, now we're here, our motorbike's still on the boat. But
2 boats away.
There's 2 boats. We had to dock behind the boat to walk past the other boat that's by the dock. That makes sense, I'll show you. And we gotta get our motorbike here. Have a look. You see this? So at the back there is our boat, and I don't know if you can see, but our motorbike is there. So we came off that boat, went onto this boat to walk onto ground here. But now we're just waiting for our motorbike and hope it makes it across 2 boats, or maybe they'll park it up somewhere where it's not so complicated. But we'll see what happens.